Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we can easily find your MARSHALL WILLEN II device. So on the Android phones we can find our device using the Google services, and we can find the location of our MARSHALL WILLEN speaker. To do so, we have to at first enter settings, and here connect devices. Now we have to tap this gear icon, and here we have to tap find device. Here, as you can see, I do have the fingerprint sensor, but it's not mine, so let's enter the pattern. And here, if you're logged in, you can search for your device in your devices list here. You should see here your MARSHALL. If you don't, that's a very common issue on the Google Find. Not me. Now go back to the settings and tap find device. As you can see that there is no device. It's a very common issue. You should see here your device. If you don't, to fix that, you have to just exit this application and sometimes go to find your device and do this a couple of times. But that is how you find your device. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.